का समाधान, देश की हर ज्योतिषीय पद्धति के समावेश के साथ संपूर्ण आकर्षक और सबसे सटीक एस्ट्रोसेज बृहद कुंडली आज अभी लें, क्योंकि भविष्य में ही छिपे हैं जीवन के संकेत।
Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of AstroSage, the world's #1 astrology portal. Well, this is Sashwati and I hope you guys are doing well. So the second half of April has already begun, but we are amidst a nationwide lockdown which has been extended until the 3rd of May. The festival Akshaya Tritiya is almost around the corner, but it doesn't feel so right. I understand the fear, the frustration, what many emotions are we juggling through right now. But let us hope and pray that this gets over really soon and that we can resume our lives as soon as possible. Well, I will not bore you further, as today I'm here to talk about Akshaya Tritiya, a special festival. Well, the lockdown doesn't mean that you cannot carry out the rites and rituals, the festivities at your own house. But the question is how to do it. Do not worry, as I'm here to talk about the festival of Akshaya Tritiya only, I'll be further discussing what all needs to be done on this particular day. So first of all, I'll talk about the dates and timings of the festival. So Akshaya Tritiya this year will be celebrated during the Tritiya Tithi of Shukla Paksh during the month of Baisakh as per the Hindu calendar or Panchang, which is going on currently, and according to the English or Gregorian calendar, that would be on Sunday the 26th of April. Moving on, I'll now give away the special Muhurat or the Shubh Muhurat for Akshaya Tritiya. Usually all the other days of a year have an auspicious, a particular Muhurat, a time period, but Akshaya Tritiya happens to be one such day where there is no such time frame, as it is considered to be auspicious all throughout its time frame. This is the reason why Akshaya Tritiya is often listed down amongst the Abhuj Muhurats. Nevertheless, there are some extremely relevant Muhurats for the day which are listed down below. So you can start the Akshaya Tritiya Puja Muhurat from 5:48 am and it will last until 12:19 pm. The Tritiya Tithi begins at 11:51 am on the 25th of April and the Tritiya Tithi ends at 1:22 pm on the 26th of April. So moving on, let us now find out what is the Puja Muhurat of Akshaya Tritiya and what all can you do staying at your houses currently. So as all the other festival demands, Akshaya Tritiya also demands you to wake up early in the morning on this particular day, and you are advised to wear yellow colored clothes after taking a very special and holy bath. You are also recommended to purify your household and your temple with Gangajal and decorate it with tulsi, or as we all know it, basil leaves, yellow colored flowers, and also a garland made of yellow colored flowers if at all they are available at your dispense. Next, light incense sticks, a lamp, sit on a yellow colored seat and recite the path which is closely associated with Lord Vishnu, as Akshaya Tritiya happens to be a special day which has close connections with Lord Vishnu. You can recite the Vishnu Sahasranam Stroth or the Vishnu Chalisa and then finally perform the Aarti of Vishnuji. If possible, you are advised to make donations on this day and feed meals to the poor, as it is also time of necessity right now, and there is a special importance of making charity on this particular day. So moving on, I'll be now telling you about some important traditions which are followed on this day. So usually there is a tradition of purchasing gold on the day of Akshaya Tritiya, but since we are currently amidst a nationwide lockdown and all of us will not be able to do so, I'll be telling you about the other important rituals and traditions which you can carry out on this particular day. What you can do is that you can donate a particular amount of your income to a poor person on the day of Akshaya Tritiya. Also, those of you who do not know should know that this particular festival is also celebrated as Parshuram Jayanti. Beliefs also state that one of the 9 incarnations of Lord Vishnu, as we know the Nar or Narayan, manifested himself on the day of Akshaya Tritiya. Many people observe fasts, take dips in holy waters and make donations, as there is a great relevance of this particular tradition. However, all of us are not in a position to take holy dips in waters right now, so the other 2 traditions can be carried out easily. So those who get involved in charity on this particular day can lead a very prosperous life later on. It has also been said that the fast associated with Akshaya Tritiya cannot be ripped of its virtues and it has great benefits to offer. And Moreover, there are some necessary remedies which should be followed on the day of Akshaya Tritiya. What are they? Let us find out. So, if you are not able to track down a particular or perfect wedding or Vivah Muhurat on account of some doshas present in your Kundli, then the observation of Akshaya Tritiya fast not only enables you to get married, but it also makes your marital life a successful one. This is the reason why a multiple number of weddings are commemorated on this day in places like Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, Bengal, and many others. Apart from this, if you are unable to accomplish a particular task for a very long time and you are seeing the face of failure very recurrently, then it is advised to definitely observe the fast of Akshaya Tritiya. The same should also be done if you are incurring losses in your business and trade ventures. Additionally, if the finances do not remain stable in your house and prosperity doesn't find a place amongst the family members and in your household, your children are walking in the wrong path and they are facing problems due to enemies. If your own enemies are prevailing over you, then it is definitely suggested to observe the fast of Akshaya Tritiya. You would receive salvation from all kinds of problems once you observe this fast and make donations according to your abilities and wishes on this particular day. So this was all you need to know about the festival of Akshaya Tritiya. I hope you have liked this video. If you have really liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Wish you a very happy and prosperous Akshaya Tritiya. Thank you so much.